Time to upset my new neighbors. But it's 8 AM and I'm hoping it's not going to piss people off. Oh well, the price we pay. I'm going to have to probably get it silenced to some extent. Just get some back boxes on it or something, I reckon. Unfortunately. Let me know what you guys think. Keep it loud, upset the neighbors, and have a lot of fun with it, or quieten it down a bit. Let me know. Gonna get it warmed up, y'all. Warm her up. Let me be cheeky, sorry. Thank you. Oh, the turbo whistle, y'all. Sport mode we're on. Not that we're going to be able to use it, because this is chaos in this town. Hopefully we can get a break up ahead here, guys. Hopefully. It is peak work traffic time right now, so I don't have very hopeful thoughts going on right now, but we never know. So let's see. These guys are all turning right. Come on. Don't know where this bike's going. Try go in for an overtake here, folks. Let's see if we get a gap. This is my chance if there is one. No. Nah, not worth it, guys. Not worth it. No, no, no. What a beautiful day. Yo, everything is happening today. What's going on here? Thank you. Little downshift clap there. Alright folks, that is a wrap. Excuse the Waitrose bag in the back. Man's gonna do what a man's gonna do. But I hope you guys liked the video. Another cruise around on these English roads in amidst the morning chaos traffic. Nonetheless, we still gotta get some turbo, some fresh air, some sunshine and some exhaust. Please make sure to hit a like and a subscribe, show your boy some love, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Lekker, bye.